Testing and teaching. Teaching adalah mengembangkan kompetensi komunikatif dan kinerja belajar peserta didik. Di sini guru harus membantu peserta didik sebisa mungkin untuk mempelajari bahasa. Testing adalah mengukur kompetensi komunikatif dan kinerja peserta didik. Di sini guru tidak diizinkan untuk membantu. Tes adalah alat atau perangkat soal dan tugas yang direncanakan untuk memperoleh informasi mengenai kemampuan kognitif siswa. Measurement adalah suatu proses atau kegiatan untuk menentukan kuantitas sesuatu yang bersifat numerik. Assessment adalah upaya untuk mendapatkan data atau informasi dari proses dan hasil pembelajaran untuk mengetahui seberapa baik kinerja siswa, kelas, dan bidang studi terhadap tujuan kriteria capaian pembelajaran tertentu. Evaluation atau evaluasi adalah proses untuk menentukan nilai objek atau hal yang berdasarkan pada acuan-acuan tertentu untuk menentukan tujuan tertentu. Kriteria tes yang bagus. 1. Validity. The validity of a test is the extent to which it measures and what is supposed to measure. It must aim to provide a true measure of the particular skill which it is intended to measure. Make sure the test matches your learning objective. Kinds of test validity. Phase validity, construct validity, content validity, concurrent validity, factorial validity. Reliability. Reliable means consistency. Reliability refers to how consistency a test measures what is purported to measure. How to make tests more reliable. Take enough sample of behavior. Do not allow candidates too much freedom. Write unambiguous items. Provide clear and explicit instruction. Ensure that tests are well laid out and perfectly legible. Candidates should be familiar with format and testing techniques. Use items that permit scoring, which is as objective as possible. Provide a detailed scoring key. Train scores. Identify candidates by number, not name. Types of reliability tests. Test retest, the same test over time. Iterator, the same test conducted by different people. Parallel forms, different versions of a test which are designed to be equivalent. Internal consistency, the individual items of a test. Discrimination. A good test is its capacity to discriminate among the different learners and to reflect the differences in the performance of the individuals in the group. Administration. Tests must be practicable. It must be fairly straightforward to administer. Time, stationary use, answer sheet. Purpose and types of language tests. Diagnosis and feedback. Diagnosis yaitu mendeteksi kelemahan bahasa siswa atau kesulitan siswa dalam belajar bahasa, sedangkan feedback adalah modifikasi cara, model, dan teknik pengajaran guru terhadap siswa. Screening and selection untuk memutuskan siapa yang bisa berpartisipasi dalam program tertentu berdasarkan beberapa kriteria. Placement purpose menempatkan siswa sesuai dengan kemampuan dan bakatnya. Program evaluation untuk mengevaluasi program yang kita jalankan apakah berjalan dengan baik atau tidak. Providing research, nilai tes bahasa siswa yang paling rendah menjadi acuan penelitian bagi peneliti. 6. Assessment of socio-psychological difference. Tes bahasa tidak semua mengukur akademik siswa tapi juga menilai kegigihan siswa. Type of language test. Satu jenis bahasa bisa mengcover satu tujuan pemberian tes bahasa. Objective dan subjective test, direct and indirect test, discrete point and integrative point, aptitude, achievement and proficiency test, norm reference and criterion reference test, speed test and power test. Subjective dan objective test. Subjective test is said to require scoring by opinionated judgment, hopefully based on insight and expertise on the part of the scorer. Subjective test includes a test in the form of essay. In an essay test, for instance, testers must think of what to say and then express their ideas as well as possible. Objective tests usually have only one correct answer or at least a limited number of correct answers. They can be scored mechanically. Objective test includes a test in the form of a multiple choice. In multiple choice tests, they have to weigh up carefully all the alternatives and select the best one. Langkah-langkah membuat multiple choice: the stem, the correct option, the distractors, the test direction. Testing grammar. Program penulisan untuk testing grammar yaitu multiple choice test, incomplete statement, error recognition test. Each sentence contain 4 words or phrases. Underline, mark A, B, C, and D. Rearrangement test. It can be in the form multiple choice. Completion test, transformation test, pairing and matching test.